Hello friends, in this video I intend to teach you how to register with the TastyTrade Broker. You enter the Forex Broker section, select TastyTrade, and then click on Go to Website. You enter the website, click on Open an Account, and go to the Registration section, wherein the first part of the registration. You select your country, email address, username, and then choose a password for your account. I recommend using uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and symbols. After entering the information, you confirm the password and click on Sign Up. Then you enter your first name, middle name, last name, and information such as your address. I recommend entering the full address, but it is optional. After that, you enter your city, country, region, postal code, and mobile phone number. Then, if your address matches your postal address, click Yes. If not, click No, and then click Next. In the next section, if you are a US citizen, click Yes. If not, click No. Then enter your citizenship country and your country of birth, and finally click Next. In the next section, you enter information such as your ID card, marital status, date of birth, etc. If you have tax support, click Yes. If not, click No, and then click on the next option. In the next section, you enter your employment information and click Next. Then you enter your personal information by selecting Yes or No, and click Next. In the next section, you enter information about your financial activities and how you became familiar with the TastyTrade website, and finally click Next. After entering your information, you enter the second registration section where you select the account type. We chose individual, and then click Next. In the next section, you enter your trading method. For example, we chose cash and click on Next. In the third part of the second stage, you enter your trading experiences, and then, further down, you enter your financial information and click on Next. Depending on your responses, this type of account will be given to you, and you click on Choose, then click on Next. In the next section, you select the security type for your account and click on Next. You answer the security question, and then click on Next. In the next section, if you have a trusted person to collaborate with the TastyTrade website, click Yes. If you are working with someone, click No, and then click Next. In the next step, you enter documents such as your ID card and proof of address, or if you don't have any documents with you, you click the No option, and then Proceed. We clicked No, and then click Next. You read the website's terms and conditions. Click Yes to confirm, and then click Next. In the next step, you will see your account information. Enter your signature and click Submit. Your account has been created. Click on Manage, and then log into your account. Your account has been created, but remember that to work with the TastyTrade website, you must provide the necessary documents. Good luck.